Hello children, welcome to my channel Learn with Rehnaz and I am your teacher Rehnaz. So today we are going to do a chapter named Shekibaz Makhi. Shekibaz means who is very boastful, who talks a lot about itself. Makhi is a fly. So this is a chapter about a fly who boasts about itself. Okay. So one day in a jungle, there was a lion who was sleeping. Lion is the king of the jungle, right? So he was sleeping and this fly irritates the lion. So he gets very angry and he tries to hit the fly, and when he could not get it, the lion finally gives up and he says, okay, I lost to you. So this fly was very happy hearing this and was very proud of itself, and he goes on in the jungle talking about this to everyone. And he says I made the lion lose in front of me, and so I am the king of the jungle, so bow down to me. So a fox sees all this happening and he thinks of an idea, okay, to trap the fly. So what happens next is very funny. So come along with me and I will tell you what happens with the fly.
So the name of the chapter is Shekibaz Makhi. Shekibaz means one who boasts. Boast in the sense like one who talks a lot about himself. Makhi means fly. Okay. एक था जंगल, उस जंगल में एक शेर भोजन करके आराम कर रहा था. एक था जंगल. There was a jungle. Okay. उस जंगल में, in that jungle, एक शेर, one lion, भोजन करके, भोजन is food, करके is after having his food, आराम कर रहा था. आराम means he was resting. So in one jungle, a lion had his food and he was resting over there. इतने में एक मक्खी उड़ती उड़ती वहां आ पहुंची. इतने में, by this time, एक मक्खी, one fly, उड़ती उड़ती, उड़ती means to fly, वहां आ पहुंची. Waha means there, Apahanchi means it came there. So by the time one fly came flying and it came near the lion. शेर ने 2-3 दिनों से स्नान नहीं किया था. शेर ने, the lion, 2-3 दिनों से, for 2-3 days, दिनों is days, स्नान means bath. नहीं किया था, he did not take bath. So the lion had not taken bath for 2-3 days. इसीलिए मक्खी शेर के कान के एकदम पास भिन 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 करने लगी. इसीलिए, that is why मक्खी, the fly, शेर के कान is ears, the ears of the lion, के एकदम पास, very close by, एकदम pass is very close, bin bin, the sound of the fly, करने लगी, it started to do. So this is why the fly came very close to the ears of the lion and it started making the sound bin bin bin. Okay, because the lion had not taken bath for 2 to 3 days. शेर को बहुत मुश्किल से नींद आई थी. शेर को, for the lion, बहुत मुश्किल, very hardly. Okay, नींद is sleep, so very hardly it had fallen asleep. उसने पंजा उठाया. उसने, who is उसने? The lion. पंजा is the paw. उठाया, it lifted its paw. मक्खी उड़ गई, लेकिन फिर से शेर के कान के पास भिन भिन शुरू हो गई. मक्खी उड़ गई, मक्खी is the fly, उड़ गई is flew away. लेकिन, but, फिर से, again, शेर के कान के पास, near the ears of the lion, भिन भिन शुरू हो गई. Again it started to do the same sound. So once the lion took its paw and it was just trying to catch the fly flew away, but later again it came near the ears of the lion and again it started making the same sound, bin bin bin. अब शेर को गुस्सा आया. अब Now शेर को, the lion, गुस्सा आया. It got, गुस्सा means angry. आया came, so the lion started to get angry. वह दहाड़ा. Dahada means to make roaring sound. Okay, how does the lion make a roaring sound when it gets angry? अरे मक्खी दूर हट वरना तुझे अभी जान से मार डालूंगा. So the lion said, अरे मक्खी, oh fly, दूर हट. दूर means go away. Hut means move. So move away. वरना else. तुझे अभी जान से मार डालूंगा. तुझे you, अभी is now, जान से मार डालूंगा. I will kill you. So the lion gets very angry and it says, hey fly, just move away from me, otherwise I'm going to kill you. मक्खी ने धीरे से कहा, छी छी, जंगल के राजा के मुंह से ऐसी भाषा कहीं शोभा देती है. So मक्खी ने धीरे से कहा. So मक्खी धीरे से, very slowly, कहा is said. So the monkey said very slowly, छी छी, jungle के राजा is the king of the jungle. Raja is the king. के मुँह से, ऐसी भाषा means this kind of words, कहीं शोभा देती है. Shobha means does not look nice. Okay, it does not please. Shobha means to please. So the fly says these kind of words does not look nice from the to be heard from the mouth of a lion. Okay, when the lion says I'm going to kill you, the fly says these kind of words doesn't sounds good from the mouth of the lion. शेर का गुस्सा बढ़ गया. उसने कहा, एक तो मुझे सोने नहीं देती, ऊपर से मेरे सामने जवाब देती है. चुप हो जा वरना अभी. मक्खी बोली, वरना क्या कर लेगा? मैं क्या तुमसे डर जाऊंगी? मैं तो तुमसे भी लड़ सकती हूँ. हिम्मत हो तो आ जाओ. शेर का गुस्सा बढ़ गया. शेर is lion. गुस्सा is anger. बढ़ गया, it increased. So the lion got even more angry. उसने कहा, it said, उसने is over here is the lion said, एक तो मुझे सोने नहीं देती. एक तो is one thing is मुझे, me, सोने नहीं देती, you won't let me sleep. सोना is sleep. नहीं देती, you won't allow me to sleep. So one thing is you won't let me sleep. ऊपर से मेरे सामने जवाब देती है. ऊपर से on top of that, मेरे सामने, सामने is in front of me, जवाब देती है. जवाब is answer, देती है, you're giving. So the lion, it gets very angry and it says, one thing is you never let me sleep, and secondly, in front of me you're giving me answers. चुप हो जा. चुप, keep quiet. वरना अभी, else, now. So the lion says, like, you just keep quiet, else I will, and it was going to say something. मक्खी बोली. मक्खी is the fly. मक्खी says, वरना क्या कर लेगा? वरना is else. क्या? What? What will you do? कर लेगा is will you do. So the says, else what are you going to do? मैं क्या तुमसे डर जाऊंगी? मैं, I, क्या तुमसे, will I get scared of you? डर जाऊंगी means will get scared of. Am I going to get scared of you? मैं तो तुमसे भी लड़ सकती हूँ. मैं तो तुमसे भी means I can even, लड़ सकती हूँ is fight with you. So the fly says, I'm not scared of you. You think I'm going to get scared of you? I can even fight with you. हिम्मत हो तो आ जाओ. हिम्मत means if you're brave enough. हिम्मत means brave. हो तो आ जाओ. If you're brave enough, just come. So the fly challenges the lion. I'm not scared of you. If you're so brave, just come in front, she says. शेर आंख बबूला हो उठा. उसने कान के पास पंजा मारा. मक्खी तो उड़ गई पर कान जरा छिल गया. मक्खी उड़कर शेर की नाक पर बैठी तो उसने मक्खी को फिर पंजा मारा. मक्खी उड़ गई. अब की बार शेर की नाक छिल गई. शेर आग बबूला हो उठा. Sher is lion. Aag babula is got very angry. So if someone gets very angry, we say aag babula ho utha. उसने कान के पास पंजा मारा. उसने is the lion. कान के पास is near the ears. Panja mara. So it just touched its panja is the paw. Okay. So the fly actually went and sat on its ears, and the lion tried to scratch or hit the fly, okay, with its paw. But what happens? It scratched the lion. Actually, the fly flew away, and the lion actually hurt his ears. मक्खी तो उड़ गई. मक्खी is a fly. तो उड़ गई means flew away. But कान जरा छिल गया. कान is ears. Zara is little. Chil gaya is got a little hurt. Okay, actually the skin peeled off, so it bleeds, right, when the skin peels off. Yes. Makhi udkar, the fly, udkar शेर की नाक पर बैठी. It flew, and it naak is the nose. So it flew and it sat on. बैठी is sat on its nose. तो उसने मक्खी को तो उसने so the lion मक्खी को the fly को फिर पंजा मारा. So what happens? फिर is again पंजा मारा is again it tried to hit the fly. So what happens when the lion actually hit the fly from its ears, the fly actually flew away from there and it sat on the lion's nose. So again the lion actually tried to hit the fly, and actually the fly flew off. Makhi ud gayi. So the fly flew away. Ab ki bar, now at this time, the second time, Sher ki naak chil gayi. Sher is the lion. Ki naak is the nose. Chil gayi, it got scratched. Okay. The skin peeled off from its nose. So the lion himself hurt its ears and again on its nose. मक्खी कभी शेर के माथे पर बैठती, कभी गाल पर, तो कभी गर्दन पर. So the fly actually sits on the शेर के माथे पर, on its forehead. So sometimes it comes and sits on its forehead. कभी गाल पर, sometimes on its cheeks. गाल is cheeks. तो कभी गर्दन पर. So sometimes on its neck. शेर पंजा मारता जाता और खुद को घायल करता जाता. मक्खी तो फट से उड़ जाती. शेर पंजा मारता जाता. That means when the fly goes and sits here and there, the lion tries to hit the fly. So what happens when he tries to hit the fly? It hurts himself and it starts bleeding. So panja marta jata means it tries to hit the fly and khud ko घायल karta jata. Khud ko is himself. घायल is hurt. Karta jata, it's kept hurting himself. मक्खी तो फट से उड़ जाती. But the fly, suddenly it just flew away. Within seconds, it just flies away. फट से means within seconds, उड़ जाती, flew away. अंत में शेर ऊब गया, थक गया. वह बोला, मक्खी बहन, अब मुझे छोड़ो. मैं हारा और तुम जीती. बस. So the lion actually gives up and it gets very tired. अंत में, at the end, शेर ऊब गया. शेर is the lion, gets tired. थक गया is tired. It's enough. It gets enough. It gets tired of doing this. वह बोला, it said, मक्खी बहन. So it says sister fly. Okay, or the fly sister. Bahan means sister. So the lion is referring to the fly as sister. अब मुझे छोड़ो. Now मुझे छोड़ो means leave me. छोड़ो is leave. So leave me. Now please leave me. मैं हारा. हारा means I lose. My is I, lose. हारा is lose. और तुम जीती. And tum, you, जीती is you win. So I lost and you win. Is that enough? Bus means is that enough? So the lion gets so tired of doing this and it says like, okay sister, I give up. I'm so tired. I just give up. Now I lose and you have won. Is that enough for you? मक्खी घमंड घमंड में चूर होकर उड़ती उड़ती आगे बढ़ी. So this fly घमंड में चूर होकर, that means it was very proud of itself. उड़ती उड़ती, it flew away and आगे बढ़ी, it moved forward. So the fly was feeling very proud of itself because actually the king of the jungle has said that the king has lost in front of the fly. So it felt very proud of itself. सामने एक हाथी मिला. सामने is in front. एक, one. हाथी मिला. हाथी is an elephant. So she found a elephant in front of her when she was moving. So मक्खी ने कहा, the fly said, अरे हाथी, ओ हाथी, हे हाथी or hey elephant, मुझे प्रणाम कर. मुझे is me. Pranam means bow down. Okay, actually when you see someone you bend down and you bow down and you fold your hands and you say namaste, right? So when you say when you find someone elder or someone big to you, like you bow down and you salute them or you bow down to them with respect. The same way this fly tells the elephant like bow down to me or show respect to me. मैंने जंगल के राजा शेर को हरा दिया. मैंने, I, जंगल के राजा, the king of the jungle, शेर को, who is the king of the jungle? The lion. So हराया है, that means I have made the lion lose towards me. Okay, the lion has actually, the king of the jungle has actually lost in front of me. इसलिए, that's why, जंगल में अब मेरा राज चलेगा. जंगल में, in the jungle, अब, now, मेरा राज चलेगा. I am going to rule. Raj means rule. चलेगा will go on. So from now on, because the lion has lost in front of me, I am going to be the king of the jungle and I am going to rule the jungle. So this is what the fly says. हाथी ने सोचा. Hathi is the elephant. Ne socha means the hathi thought to itself. The elephant thought to itself, इस पागल मक्खी से बहस करने में समय कौन बर्बाद करेगा. इस पागल मक्खी, this mad fly, से बहस करने में, बहस is argument, करने में समय, कौन बर्बाद करेगा. समय is time, कौन is who, बर्बाद करेगा means who is going to waste. So the hathi, the elephant, thinks to itself, okay, this fly is actually mad. So who's going to waste the time arguing with this mad fly? Okay. हाथी ने सूंड ऊपर उठाकर मक्खी को प्रणाम किया और आगे बढ़ गया. हाथी is the elephant. ने सूंड is the trunk. ऊपर उठाकर, it lifted its trunk up. मक्खी को प्रणाम किया and it's bowed down, like when the lion the elephant actually it lifted its trunk and it bowed down and it said namaste, pranam kiya. It's actually bowed down in front of the आगे और आगे बढ़ गया. That means it bowed down in front of the fly and it moved forward. सामने से आ रही लोमड़ी ने यह सब देखा. सामने से आ रही, सामने is in front, आ रही is from front. There was a lomdi. Who is a lomdi? Lomdi is a fox. यह सब देखा. यह सब means all this. देखा is saw. So there was a fox in the front who was coming towards the fly, okay, and it saw all these things, what happened between the fly and the elephant. The fox saw everything. लोमड़ी मंद मंद मुस्कुराने लगी. Lomdi is a fox. Mand means inside, like within itself. मुस्कुराने लगी. मुस्कुराना is smiling. इतने में मक्खी ने लोमड़ी से कहा. इतने में, by this time, मक्खी, the fly, ने लोमड़ी से कहा. It told to the fox. अरे ओ लोमड़ी, hey fox, चल मुझे प्रणाम कर. चल मुझे प्रणाम कर मीन्स कम ऑन ना bow down to me. मैंने जंगल के राजा शेर और विशालकाय हाथी को भी हरा दिया है. मैंने जंगल के राजा I have made the lion, okay, the king of the jungle, to lose in front of me, and also not only the lion, the big hathi, okay, big elephant also. Vishalkai hathi means the big elephant, the gigantic elephant को भी हरा दिया. Even the elephant also has lost in front of me. So the fly says to the fox, come on now, bow down to me. लोमड़ी ने उसे प्रणाम किया, फिर धीरे से बोली. So लोमड़ी, the fox, ने उसे प्रणाम किया. That means the fox bowed down to the fly. फिर, then, धीरे से बोली. It's said very softly. धीरे से means softly. बोली is it said. धन्य हो मक्खी रानी. धन्य हो. Dhanya ho means you're very great. Makhi Rani. So the fox is calling the fly as Rani. Rani means queen. Dhanya ho, you're very great. धन्य है आपका जीवन और धन्य है आपके माता पिता. So the fox is actually praising the fly. Okay, the fly itself is feeling very proud of itself because the lion bowed down or it lost in front of the fly. So it says धन्य हो आपका जीवन. So your life is very great. और and धन्य है आपके माता पिता, your parents. माता पिता means father, mother and father. So your parents are also very great. लेकिन मक्खी रानी, लेकिन but मक्खी रानी means fly रानी, queen. Okay, उधर वह मकड़ी दिखाई दे रही है ना. उधर वह मकड़ी, उधर means there, वह that, मकड़ी means spider, दिखाई दे रही है ना. दिखाई means can you see. So दिखाई दे रही है ना means can you see that spider over there. वह आपको गाली दे रही थी. वह that means the spider. आपको, for आपको over here is to the fly. गाली दे रही थी. It's saying bad. गाली means saying bad about the fly. So the fox is telling to the fly, there, can you see the spider over there? That spider is actually saying bad about you. उसकी जरा खबर लो ना. So उसकी जरा खबर means just take care of it. Take care in the sense like just look at it and try to do something about it, about the spider. यह सुनकर मक्खी गुस्से से लाल हो उठी. यह सुनकर, hearing this, मक्खी गुस्से से, मक्खी the fly गुस्से से got angry and लाल हो उठी. लाल means red. So the fly got very angry and it became red. मक्खी बोली, the fly said, उस मकड़ी को तो मैं चुटकी बजाते खत्म कर देती हूँ. So उस मकड़ी को तो मैं, that means on that fly, that spider, चुटकी बजाते खत्म. चुटकी बजाते means by the snap of your, चुटकी means snapping. So by the snap of your finger, खत्म कर देती हूँ. खत्म means I'm going to kill that. That spider is going to be dead within the snap of your finger. That is this. Okay. यह कहते हुए मक्खी मकड़ी की तरफ झपटी और मकड़ी के जाल में फंस गई. यह कहते हुए, by saying this, मक्खी मकड़ी की तरफ झपटी. That means the fly, it jumped towards the spider. मकड़ी की तरफ means towards the, तरफ is towards. झपटी is jump. So by saying this, the fly jumped towards the spider. और मकड़ी के जाले में फंस गई. मकड़ी के जाले is spider's web. फंस गई, it got caught. Okay, it got stuck over there. मक्खी जाले से छूटने की ज्यों कोशिश करती गई. मक्खी, the fly, जाले से छूटने की. To get, जाले is the spider web, छूटना is to come out. ज्यों ज्यों कोशिश करती गई. ज्यों ज्यों means it kept trying. कोशिश is trying. करती गई, that means it kept trying to get out of the spider's web. त्यों त्यों और भी अधिक फंसती गई. So as the fly was trying to get out of the spider web, so it got more and more uh, stuck onto the web. Tune tune, like as it was trying to get out, it got stuck more and more. और भी अधिक फंसती गई. और भी अधिक means more, even more. फंसती गई, it got caught in the spider's web even more. अंत में वह थक गई. अंत में at last, वह थक गई. वह over here is a fly. थक गई is tired, and हार गई, it lost. So as the fly was trying to escape from the spider's web, it got more caught into it, and at last it gave up. The fly gave up, and it got tired, and it said, I have given up, I have lost the game. यह देखकर लोमड़ी मंद मंद मुस्कुराती हुई वहां से चलती बनी. यह देखकर, on seeing this, लोमड़ी, the fox, मंद मंद मुस्कुराती हुई, that means inside, अंदर ही अंदर, that means inside, within itself, it was smiling, and वहां से चलती बनी. वहां से, from there, चलती बनी means it went moving from there, it went away from there. So what happened over here, the fly got very proud of itself, isn't it? Like it said that I could make the lion loose in front of me. So the fly felt very proud of itself, and it was boasting about itself. So the name of the chapter itself, it says a shaky buzz. That means the fly was boasting about itself. So boasting is praising herself. Okay, so what happens at last when she praised herself? She got caught, she got trapped, and she could not escape from the spider's web. So when you say something like when you praise yourself a lot or when you boast about yourself, it's not good. Like some point of some point of your life, like the truth will come out. You won't be there is no point of boasting about yourself. Like whatever is there, just accept the fact and live with it. Okay, this is what the story teaches us. Okay, the lesson that we should not boast about ourselves. I hope you all understood. If you have any doubts or if you have any suggestions or anything which can be done to improve the video, please leave a comment in the comment box below. Thank you. I hope you liked the video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for all the videos I upload. Take care.